subscribe kabo ye channel ko notification ang human so nag bell icon ko click kabo sa continue video na ye tutorial de exercise 14a statistics class 10 ni gini ba bakong ya skang bo question number 8. The mean of the following frequency distribution is 57.6 and the sum of the observations is 50. You know mean kon so ha 57.6 and sum of the observations manere total frequency ko musuma the total frequency de 50. Find the missing frequencies f1 and f2. You know missing frequencies f1 or f2 ko find out kana nangen. That is kang ba tabulation ko upload again. Kang ba class interval frequency class mark xi product yarongjuk fi xi combo class interval there 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120. Frequency there 7, f1, 12, f2, 8, 5. Now class mark there 0 lower limit class mark make it reflect kana lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit is 0, upper limit 20. 0 plus 20 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 20 plus 40 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 60 by 2 is 30. Now 40 plus 60 is 100. Now 100 divided by 2 is 50. Now the break by 60 plus 86 plus 8 is 14. 140. 140 divided by 2 is 70. Now 80 plus 100 is 180. So 180 divided by 2. 180 divided by 2 is 90. 90. Then 100 plus 120. 220 only. So the 220 divided by 2 only. 110. So the fi xi only. Gini ko multiply kabo 7 tens are 70, f1 into 30 there, 30, f1, 12 into 50, 600, f2 into 70 there, 70, f2, 8 into 9 is 72, meaning 8 into 90 there, 721, 720, then a 5 into 110 there, 550, so the total, total there 7 plus 12 there 19 19 plus 1 there 20 plus 7 27 27 plus 3 there 30 plus 2 32 plus f1 plus f2 Lihat na, ya kamu ko plus kanan gen F1 F2 tunggu bako plus ka jwa Dua F1 F2 dum bijak boho plus kagen. Keno kali siat na. Coba. Sekarang bau 70 ini zaman ada 600 aro 720 aro 550 yang ko plus ka bau 0 7 plus 2 de 9 9 plus 5 de 14 carry over 1 6 plus 1 de 7 7 plus 7 de 14 14 plus 5 de 19 1940 1940 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2. Dore mai kon sua question ora given summation of F1 equal to better na total frequency summation of F1 होगा summation of Fi ने summation of Fi equal to 50. This implies that is summation of Fi इन्होंने बेटे मंस के यहाँ 32 plus F1 plus F2 32 plus F1 plus F2 which is equal to 50. This implies that F1 को डुमरुकेन F1 को डुमरुका मोड़े this is equal to 32 plus F1 को जाकरोची राउंडे minus उम्मनो इन्हीं 50 minus 32 minus F2 इन्हीं उम्मनो this implies F1 सच F1 is equal to बेटा उम्मनो 10 minus 2 दे 8 इन्हीं नो दे बेटा उम्मनो क्या 4 4 minus 3 दे 1 18 minus F2 jadi apa equation 1 again Dimna dode mai khom nangen F1 F2 yarang khom nangen skang bau mean dode mean ko mean ni formula ko sakal nangen dode mean beton so na question 57.6 ne 57.6 on so ha question So this implies that the mean formula for sakal know summation of Fi xi divided by summation of Fi is equal to 57.6. So this implies summation of Fi xi de yaho sinan again 1940 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 divided by summation of Fi de beta sekarang masih summation of Fi de 50 ne ini berapa 50 ko sebo so 50 and this is equal to 57.6 this implies 1940 plus 30 F1 plus 70 F2 this is equal to so देखो multiply करो बेटा उन्हों 50 into 57.6 थे 57.6 into 50 that is 0 5 into 6 थे 30 carry over 3 5 into 7 35 35 plus 3 थे बेटा उन्हों 38 carry over 3 5 into 5 25 25 plus 3 थे 28 Dimna, ichi decimal place kesa, ichi decimal place kesa. Ini man 0.0 pada ane grek again. Ini man 2880. 2880. This implies 30. Tadi F1 ni biapo. Oh, ikut donas kana man gen. 18 minus F2 ko. Ini man 18 minus F2 plus 70 F2 masih set kan this is equal to 2880 minus Tadi 1940 ko cakrasi shipka mode minus unia. Ini men minus 1940. And this implies tadi multiply kabo. Sekarang kabo 0 ini sama ada 3 8s are 24 carry over 2. Tadi 3 plus 2 de betong jok 540. Ini men 13 to 18 de 540. Di na plus into minus de minus 13 to f2 de 30 f2 di na plus 70 f2. This is equal to betong ya de subtract kau de 0 minus 0 de 0 8 minus 4 de 4 then 18 minus 9 de 9 940 and this implies betong no 70 minus 30 de 40 f2 and this is equal to 940 the 540 ko jakrachi rang de minus 540 and this implies f2 ko jakashi runupo 40 ko cross kai kamachi rang de ya kamo 40 ko sa de 0 minus 0 de 0 4 minus 4 0 9 minus 5 4 so de 40 de 400 de 10 times so this is equal to 10 ini man f2 rong job 10 so de f2 equal to 10 ya ko nga equation 1 do not kinchi mo de f1 ni value ko man yen ini man again. Therefore, equation 1 implies f1 is equal to 18 minus the f2 ni vepo 10 ko ses kamano. So this is equal to betong niya f1 equal to 18 minus 10 de 8. Ini man. Therefore, f1 is equal to 8 and f2 is equal to 10. Yes, sir. Answer. Find the mean by shortcut method or assume mean method. Question number 10. No class interval ko unso ha aro frequency ko unso ha diguna mean ko calculate kana nanggen shortcut method ba assume mean method ko jakale. Sekarang bo class interval the frequency fi our class marks deviations di equal to xi minus a. Ini is our product. Yang jok fi di. Zero to 10 class interval there. 0 to 10. 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency there 12, 16, 6, 7, or 9. Then the class marks there 0 plus 10 to 10, 10 divided by 2 there, 5. 10 plus 20 to 30, 30 divided by 2 there, 15. 20 plus 30 to 50, 50 divided by 2 there, 25. 30 plus 40 to 70, 70 divided by 2 there, 35. 40 plus 50 to 90, 90 divided by 2 there, 45. Then the deviation so there, xi minus a. xi rong jok the class mark dimna a rong jok assume mean de jachi ba khara phangna na nga tari no de jachi ba de 25 ongya ini ma nga answer space right second a equal to 25 ne a equal to 25 ini man ya a de 25 ongya saya no set naman gen xi minus a ni biapo 25 ni jadi. Dari marginal tu kan. 35 minus 25 petong jok minus 20. Dimana 15 minus 25 petong jok minus 10. 25 minus 25 0. 35 minus 25 petong jok 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 2 1 10. Dimana 45 minus 25 te 20. Tadi product te fi di ya fi atau di kayak gini ko multiply kan angin 12 into 20 petong unok minus 240. 12 into minus 20 de minus 240. 16 into minus 10 de minus 160. 6 into 0 0. 7 into 10 de 70. 9 into 20 de 180. Then the total frequency you can again arrow total product. Then 2 plus 68 8 plus 60 14 14 plus 7 21 21 plus 9 30. So it is 0 over 3 3 plus 1 4 5 50. 이거에 등탕탕 이삽하고 minus minus 1이면 plus never sign minus 1 again 0 plus 0 de 0 4 plus 6 de 10 carry over 1 2 plus 1 de 3 2 plus 1 de 4 minus 400 minus 400 then 0 plus 0 de 0 then 7 plus 8 then 15 5 carry over 1 1 plus 1 de 2 250. Jadi bisa minus bisa plus. Subtract karo, dapat gua minus ini minus bagian 0 minus 0 is 0. Then 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Minus 150. Minus 150. Therefore, x bar is equal to make it any formula a plus summation of fi di by summation of fi. So this is equal to a divided 25 plus summation of fi di de betongnya minus 150 divided by summation of fi de 50. Dimana 25 plus into minus de minus. So ये 0 cancel, ये 5 de 15 de 3 times. Ini man betongnya minus 3. 25 minus 3 betong jok 22. Ini man mean 22.